Hello everyone, welcome to Py4U. Today we're going to see what are the keywords available in Python. Keywords. Keywords are the words that convey a special meaning to the language, to the compiler or interpreter. These are reserved for a special purpose and must not be used as normal identifier names. Say for example, we'll go for the first one like false. F-A-L-S-E. Please do remember that you should use for the boolean data type in first letter as capital. Do you see that? There is a small hint in this. So whenever I use Python keywords, this will be transformed into the color of orange. So I'll execute this. So it is exactly printing. If I give in small letter, that gives error because it is not identified by the compiler or interpreter. So let us see the next list, that is asset. S is the next keyword, but it needs to be used as it is. If you don't use properly, that gives syntax error. So the next del, that is delete, same as it is. Then for, so in or, so it shows error. So let me go for a simple one. So to make a list, I'm creating a new file. So I'm going to type all the keywords in this. So that's false, as we see first one. Assert del, that is for delete, sorry, and for in or while none break elif, it's a short form of else if, from s pass with true, obviously class. So I'll just enter the next line. Then what we left, else. Then in functions we use global lambda. So lambda is used for function definition, L-A-M-B, yeah, lambda. Then rise, then yield, then and, obviously continue, except, then if, so then non-local, it's in functions, return, same as in function, return, as, and define, it's for the function definition, and finally it's used for try and expect, error handling. Then most probably very important, import. This is used to import multiple libraries into the program. Not, it's not logic for boolean, and try everything. So these are the keywords which are available in Python. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned with us.